friends, welcome back. My name is Dolapo, Dolly B Creations or Dolly B Fashion and Crafts. So we want to continue with our turban cap tutorials. So we want to show you out another frame that we can attach to your turban cap base. So we'll be needing this measurement. We'll cut out 2 pieces of this scuba material, 2 pieces of this. The first one is about 11 inches length and 11 inches width, while the second one is 10 inches length and 10 inches width. So now I want to make this video as short as possible, so let's get started. All right, now for the first piece, we're going to fold it this way. Fold it this way again. We want to cut out a flare like this. So we'll mark out our radius. Our radius is 1 inch from this corner. Look at it. So from this corner we'll measure about 1 inch round. 1 inch round. So then from here we'll measure about 4 inches. 4 inches round, like this. So meaning that from here to here is about 5 inches round. So we're going to be cutting this out with our normal scissors. Cut this out. You need to be careful, the material is stretchy so it moves easily. We cut this out. Then this part is going to be showing on our turban cap, so we're going to be using our zigzag scissors to cut it out. So these are zigzag scissors to cut it out. If you don't have a zigzag scissors, you can use a straight scissors, but the zigzag scissors makes it look more beautiful. If your cutting can be straight, you can use your straight scissors. So this is what I have. So we have this one. Then the second piece, we'll do it the same way. We'll fold into 2, fold this way, and cut out. We'll mark the same 1 inch radius, but the length this time around will be 3 inches. So 1 inch. 1 inch here, then the length will be from here to here will be 4 inches, meaning that from here to here is 3 inches. Remember, from here to here is 4 inches, so from here to here will be 3 inches. So we'll be doing the same way. We'll cut out with our straight scissors and use our scissors to cut the down part. So this is what I have after opening it. So we're going to be using our needle and thread to gather it. This is going to be this is the right side. So we're going to use our needle and thread to gather it like this. Just gather this part. We're going to be doing this for the 2 pieces. Please join us. This is Dolly B Fashion and Crafts. Join us on Facebook. Search for Dolly B Fashion and Crafts. You can as well subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search for Dolly B Creations on YouTube and click on the subscribe button. Shall be sharing more free tutorials soon. So I gather it like this. I do the same for the second one. I gather it. I use my gather stitches. I gather it like this. Okay. So I do the same for the second one. After you gather, you pull. I repeat the same procedure for the second one, and I show you the final step. Okay, now so I'm through. I've gathered the middle parts. So I'll be joining the small one with the big one. Join it together like this with my needle and thread, and tack properly to secure it. So once I'm done with that, I can decorate this with my brooch, with my stones or pearls. Then I had my brooch. So I tack very well to secure it. And I'm done. Okay. So with my UHU gum, or before then, you can actually attach it to your turban cap. You can attach it like this first with your needle and thread before you start decorating with pearls and beads. So I will tag this now and I'll show you the final result. So now I've added my brooch. This is what I have. So just allow, when you're adding your fringe, just allow it protrude a little bit in front so that it makes it more beautiful. So you add your pearls or your beads, your stones or anything you want to decorate it with. And so we are done with this type of frame. Please join us on Facebook at Dolly V Fashion and Crafts. Search on Facebook, search for Dolly V Fashion and Crafts. Join us on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at Dolly V Creations. Just search for Dolly V Creations. Thank you so much. My name is Dolapo.